This is John Hansbarger with Precision Restorations, here to tell you about our build of this 1967 Toyota Land Cruiser. The whole idea behind this build was a blending of old school design and new technology, with an emphasis on functionality as our client planned to use this vehicle as an everyday driver. In the first couple of slides here, you can see the 1967 right-hand drive Toyota FJ40 that we started out with. This vehicle was purchased and then shipped to us from Australia. For the chassis and drivetrain, we purchased a 2005 Toyota Tacoma TRD. The vehicle had severe body damage, but the chassis and drivetrain were intact and in good working order. The first order of business for us was to remove the body on the 1967 Toyota and get it fit to the chassis of the Tacoma. Since we were planning on installing a flatbed with stake sides behind the body, this took some serious fabrication. In these next set of photos, you can see the vehicle over in the paint department where several things took place. First, Dan primed the vehicle inside and out and cut in the loose panels with paint. The next step was to bedline the inside of the vehicle using a black rhino liner. Since the client plans to use this vehicle for everyday use, back and forth from work, this will keep the floors from getting damaged. The final step was to spray the flat black paint for the exterior of the vehicle. Once the paint job was complete, we dropped the body back on the chassis, designed and built the flatbed and stake sides, and finally hooked up all the mechanical systems. In the last set of photos here, you can see our finished product, which has a very utilitarian design to it. From the large mud tires to the black stake side beds to the flat paint and the supercharged engine, this vehicle means business.